It's nature. God provide everything, including the food for the animals, wild animals. There's flowers here too.
Blueberries here somewhere. Yep. Plenty of firewood.
Plenty of firewood.
Plenty of trees down.
Yep.
I was thinking the old days they didn't have a chainsaw. At best they had an axe. And they had to really learn how to sharpen, make them very smooth and very polished. And had to have good shape to swing them things and hit them just right. To survive a winter, we chop wood all summer long.
There's like a sample of berries here. There's many everywhere. Are you tired now?
Yep. Steep uphill.
Alright, any concluding words?
It's a good thing it's only in the 50s today.